The topic of my talk entitles aplastic anemia. So, the exact pathophysiological mechanism of aplastic anemia is still obscure, and we are concentrating on that. Paul Ehrlich described the first case of aplastic anemia in a pregnant woman who died of marrow failure in 1888. Aplastic anemia is a condition which is usually fatal. There is no proper treatment of that. We have a hematology department in Calcutta School of Tropical Medicine. For a long time we have seen so many patients are coming with hematological abnormalities like leukemia, aplastic anemia, and myelodysplastic syndrome. Here I am concentrating mainly on the aplastic anemia. So to develop the aplastic anemia, we first thought, why the bone marrow failure? What is happening there? This is the biology of hematopoiesis, and the two niches are the proper interplay in between them makes the cells mature. And for the steady state hematopoiesis, the property of self-renewal and proliferation differentiation, the strong cell support, all these are very much necessary. So gradually I will concentrate on each and every aspect of the development of bone marrow failure condition. We have injected busulfan and cyclophosphamide for the development of aplastic anemia in Swiss inbred albino mice, and have seen first the peripheral blood, which shows totally the aplastic nature, and published that one in Stem Cell International. Primitive carbon positive bone marrow hematopoietic stem cell and mouse model of aplastic anemia. After going through the peripheral blood scenario, we concentrated on the bone marrow profile, and you can see in aplastic condition the marrow is full of adipocytes. Gradually the concentration increases, and by scanning electron microscopy, the hypocellular marrow is evident. And this is primitive carbon positive bone marrow HSC mouse model of aplastic anemia shows the SCAR1 positive, c-KIT positive primitive cell population, which is gradually diminishing in a aplastic condition, and the bright population is affected more than the general population. There are various reasons of development of aplastic anemia. The xenobiotic insult is one of them. When there is pesticide-induced alteration of marrow function, it has been seen the SLAM markers tied to 150 to 44, they are down-regulated. This is alteration of marrow stromal microenvironment and apoptosis mechanism. We have seen how in case of aplastic anemia, the apoptosis is taking place, whether the apoptotic molecule, the external pathway, internal pathway are getting affected or not. We have done the whole pathway. But for the lecture purpose, I have picked up a few molecules. The token slide is being, I am showing you the token slide where the MAP- pathway I am concentrating. You know that P38, ARF and JUNK are the three downstream molecules of MAP pathway. So here I have seen apoptosis signal regulating kinase 1, that is the first one, ask one. Next JUNK, JNK, and the third one, the ultimate executioner of apoptosis is the cleave caspase 3, and their expression has increased. Another particular property is the cellular granularity. The cellular granularity can be seen by fluorescence activated cell sorter, where the cells, when they are more granular, will go to a different zone. So in that way we have seen that the granularity and density of cell decreases in case of a aplastic condition. Their colony forming capacity has been seen, and it has been published in Stem Cell International 2010. All the colony forming units, they are gradually diminishing. Now, kinetic impairment of hematopoietic stem cell in aplastic anemia. I'm sure it's saying you only the aplastic anemia here today. The M1, M2, and M3, these are the three phases of cell